Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to back up your files from your Poco X6 Pro by your computer. So to do this operation, go to settings, go to the About the phone, scroll down, and there is a backup and restore. There is an option by computer, so backup and restore items using a computer. So click on it, and as there is an instruction from here. So you need to open mobile device, select the backup, wait until all the items are backup, find the backup in New Backup or Backup. Copy the files into your computer as you see. Yep. So we are already making the backup. It's been making right here. Yep. By mobile device. And of course you can restore all the files from here. There is an instruction, of course, as well. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!